What if the biggest reason most people never build real wealth isn't bad luck, a low salary, or the economy, but three quiet investing mistakes that even Buffett has warned about for decades? Yeah, think about that for a second. Because right now, somewhere out there, someone just opened an investing app, bought a hot stock, felt like a genius for 5 minutes, and accidentally stepped into the exact trap that drains billions of dollars from everyday investors every single year. Sounds crazy, right? But stick with me, because by the end of this video, you might see investing and your own money very differently. Let's start with mistake number 1, and honestly, this one hits hard. Investing because everyone else is doing it. You've seen it. Your friend sends you a message, "Bro, this stock is going crazy." Your coworker at lunch says, "Man, if you bought this last month, you'd already be up 40%. Suddenly, it feels like you're late to the party. Your brain starts racing. You open your phone, charts going up, headlines screaming, social media hyping it like it's the next gold rush, and boom, you buy. Fast. No research, no real plan, just vibes. And in that moment, it feels smart. It feels exciting. It feels like you're finally playing the game. But here's the cold truth most people learn the expensive way. When everyone is excited, you're usually late. The hype already happened. The easy money already happened, and now you're holding the bag, while early investors quietly walk away smiling. Buffett has a simple philosophy about this. Be cautious when others are greedy and confident when others are afraid. But most people flip that rule upside down. They buy when prices explode and panic when prices drop. It's like running into a store after everything is already sold out and paying triple for the last item on the shelf. That's not investing. That's emotional spending with extra steps. And look, I get it. Nobody wants to feel like they missed out. That fear is powerful. It messes with your judgment. It whispers, just jump in, don't think too much. But smart investors slow down. They pause. They ask questions. What does the company actually do? How does it make money? Would I still buy this if nobody on the internet was talking about it? Simple questions, powerful filter. Because hype fades, but fundamentals stick around. Now let's talk about mistake number 2, and this one might surprise you because it doesn't feel like a mistake at all when you're doing it. It feels responsible, safe, even smart. The mistake is trying to get rich fast instead of getting rich steady. Yeah, I know, that sounds boring. Nobody clicks a video titled, "How Patience Quietly Makes You Wealthy." People want fireworks. They want that story. Someone turns $1,000 into $100,000 overnight. Screenshots, Lamborghinis, beach photos. But here's the reality those stories don't show. For every one person who gets lucky, thousands lose money chasing the same shortcut. Buffett didn't build his fortune overnight, not even close. It took decades of disciplined investing, compounding, and sticking to a strategy when everyone else was chasing shiny new opportunities. Compounding is weird like that. At first, it feels painfully slow, like nothing is happening. You invest for a year, 2 years, maybe even 5, and your account doesn't look life-changing. But then something shifts. The growth starts feeding on itself. The snowball gets bigger, and suddenly those quiet, boring decisions from years ago start stacking up into something powerful. The problem is most people quit right before that moment arrives. They get impatient. They jump from strategy to strategy. Crypto this month, options trading next month, some random stock tip after that. It feels productive, it feels active, but in reality, they're resetting their progress over and over again. Imagine planting a tree, digging it up a week later, planting a different tree, digging that up too. Years pass, still no shade. Real investors plant, water, and wait. That's where wealth grows. And now, let's hit mistake number 3, because this one quietly destroys more portfolios than market crashes ever will. Investing in things you don't actually understand. Sounds obvious, right? But you'd be shocked how many people do it every single day. They buy companies they can't explain, technologies they've never used, business models that make zero sense to them. Why? Because someone online sounded confident, because the chart looked cool, because the ticker symbol was trending, and suddenly their hard-earned money is sitting inside an investment they couldn't describe if their life depended on it. Buffett has always pushed the idea of a circle of competence. In simple terms, invest in what you understand. If you can't explain how a company makes money in plain English, maybe it doesn't belong in your portfolio. Think about it. If you owned a small local business, a coffee shop, a car wash, a grocery store, you'd want to understand every piece of it before putting your money on the line. The costs, the customers, the risks. But the moment the investment moves to a stock market app, people suddenly drop that logic. They click buy in seconds, no questions asked. That's like buying a restaurant without even knowing if it sells food. And when things go wrong, and eventually they do, panic kicks in because there was never real conviction to begin with. Smart investors do the opposite. They keep it simple. Businesses they recognize, industries they understand, products they see people using every day. Nothing flashy, nothing confusing, just clear logic. And here's the funny part. Boring investments often outperform exciting ones over time, not because they're magical, but because they're understandable, stable, and easier to hold during tough markets. Now let's zoom out for a second, because these three mistakes, following the crowd, chasing fast money, and investing without understanding the business, have something in common. They all come from the same place: emotion, fear of missing out, impatience, overconfidence. The market knows how to push those buttons. Headlines scream, social media exaggerates wins, losses stay quiet, and the result is millions of investors making emotional decisions with logical consequences. But here's the good news, and this part matters. Avoiding these mistakes doesn't require genius IQ. You don't need secret formulas. You don't need a finance degree. Most of the time, it just requires slowing down when everyone else is speeding up, asking one more question, waiting one more day, thinking one step further into the future. That's it. Simple habits, massive difference over time. Imagine where your portfolio could be 10 years from now if you avoided the traps most investors fall into every year. Imagine the stress you'd skip, the money you'd keep, the opportunities you'd actually recognize instead of chasing hype. That's the quiet advantage disciplined investors build. And if there's one takeaway from this whole conversation, it's this: investing isn't about being the smartest person in the room. It's about not doing the dumb things that destroy progress. Skip the noise, respect patience, understand what you own. Do those three things consistently, and you're already ahead of a huge percentage of the market. So now I'm curious, be honest in the comments, which of these three mistakes do you think hurts investors the most today? Following the hype, chasing fast money, or investing without understanding the business? Drop your answer below. And if this video made you rethink the way you approach money, share it with someone who's starting their investing journey right now, because avoiding just one bad decision today could change someone's financial future years from now.